So I made a green salad here. Just lettuce and diced cucumber. You can see. Now we're going to make a dressing for our salad. Start with our mayonnaise. Add in our yogurt. Plain yogurt. Some ketchup for a bit of color. That's enough. Some Dijon mustard. We only need like half a teaspoon. We're all going to add in some black pepper. That's enough. Finally, some sugar. Just a bit. Taste. And then mix it all together. And then if you find it's too thick, cut it down with some juice. So I add a little bit of apple juice to make it a bit lighter, a bit runnier. Always make sure you taste your food. So let's see. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. And our salad dressing. So this goes very well with this. Just like that. Done.